And this is our main activity room here at the Holier Than Thou headquarters.
Cool, I like activities.
And only the members of Holier Than Thou get to spend all of eternity pretty much like this.
Knitting.
We spend our days on earth like we plan to spend them in heaven.
All day we'll praise him. All night we'll praise him. And when we're not praising him, we'll do activities.
Mostly knitting.
Activities.
Mostly knitting. It saves energy for all that praising.
We are holier than thou.
Way too close. Are you ready to join?
Yeah, I'm just looking, so.
Oh, pretty nice.
Question. So it's just the members of Holier Than Thou who are going to heaven?
Oh, that is the coolest part. All that space in heaven, just for us.
You get a mansion. You get a mansion. You get a mansion.
Tell it.
So just knitting in my mansion.
Oh, yes. With only people like the Holier Than Thou, the true believers. Are you ready to join? Come on, man.
My Aunt Wanda was a member of Holier Than Thou. She died last year.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Wonky-eyed Wanda. That's what we called her.
Right. Yeah, she used to look at me and, well, sort of look at me, and she would say, "You know you're going to hell, right?"
Always spreading love, that Wanda. And we loved her. Her faith was so strong.
I guess.
A wonky-eyed Wanda is definitely in heaven knitting in her mansion.
Knitting wonky sweaters.
I can't imagine spending eternity with my aunt, you know.
Well, imagine it. Are you imagining it? Pretty cool. Are you ready to join?
Sorry. It's just, I don't. How is it that only the members of Holier Than Thou are the?
Give me my book.
You are about to get served.
Now you see, it says right here, clear as day, and here, and here. Simple.
Okay, but like, what about here?
But not without here, here, and then here. Now that's where we get them. Because you can't do this without doing this. And we're the only ones doing this, and this, but not this. And then this, in that order.
That's a lot.
Well, it's gonna make sense. Because first you gotta read this, and then you go back and read this. Don't do it. Don't do it, just read it. And then read this, and do this, do, don't, no, yes, maybe, do that.
Thanks. Yeah, that's kind of confusing.
Oh, confusing is right, and lucky for us, because heaven is only reserved for the members of Holier Than Thou. My brother, this is good news. Are you ready to join?
To be honest, this version of heaven that you're describing sounds
Boring is awesome.
I was going to say boring.
Oh,
Sounds boring.
Man, this ain't boring.
no.
I knit sweaters.
I knit sweaters. We knit sweaters.
Imagine 100 of them knitting in heaven.
Yeah, 100?
I mean thousands. And wonky-eyed Wanda, are you ready to join?
Can I just buy a sweater?